work at, work for, work in, and work on. What are the differences between those four expressions? Wanna know? Okay, come and let's learn together. 1. Work at. Work at is used to refer to the specific place where you work. For example, I work at a tech company. I work at Up-to-Date English School. I work at Amazon. That means I am employed at a specific company or location. Number 2, work for. Work for is used to indicate the person or organization you are employed by. Ça utilise pour moun ou bien organisation ou travail pour liya. For example, I work for a non-profit organization. I work for Elon Musk. I work for Mr. Smith. This means Mr. Smith is my employer. 3. Work in. Work in is used to refer to the field or industry you work in. For example, I work in education, I work in marketing, I work in the medical field. That means I am employed in the medical industry. Number 4, work on. Work on is used to describe the specific task or project you're working on. For example, I work on improving my listening skills. I work on a research project. I work on developing new software. All right? Thank you, everyone. I hope this helps you understand the differences between work at, work for, work in, and work on. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow me for more tips. Bye.